I'm going to show you how you can create a private channel on your Discord server in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is create a channel right here, and you can name it however you want. In my case, it will be private. So create the channel. I'm gonna put it right here at the top, and then go to edit this channel and go to permissions. So right here you can enable this option to make this channel private, and this means that only selected members or roles will be able to view this channel. So if you click right here, you need to add members or roles that can access this channel. So for example, I have different roles and different members which are bots. So let's say I only want people with the admin role and those two bots that could be members as well, but in my case I only have bots. So if I click on done, now here you will see the list of the members that have access to this channel and the roles that can access there. So if I accept and then go to the private channel, you can see on the online member list there are only 3 members, and if I go to any other channel you can see there are 5. Now you can talk here, and only people with access here can talk or view your messages. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.